In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Glassdoor. Whether you're browsing job listings or company reviews, setting the right language can make everything clearer. We'll do this directly on the Glassdoor website, and I'll share a few tips so your choice sticks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to www.glassdoor.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. Being logged in helps Glassdoor remember your preference across pages and future visits. If you're not signed in, you can still change how the site looks for the moment, but it might not persist the next time you come back. Once you're in, navigate to any main page, your home feed, a job search results page, or a company profile, and scroll all the way to the bottom. You're looking for the site footer, the section with legal links, privacy, and help. In that footer area, locate the language or region selector. It may appear as a drop-down labeled Language, Country, Region, Site, or sometimes as a small flag icon. This control tells Glassdoor which language or country site version you'd like to view. Click the selector and choose your preferred language or country version from the list. In many cases, selecting a country will automatically switch you to the local Glassdoor site and adjust the language of menus and interface text. You may also notice that certain details, like salary formats or currency symbols, align with that region. After you make your choice, the page typically reloads on its own and applies the new language. If nothing changes after a moment, manually refresh your browser so the update takes effect. A quick note: Glassdoor may automatically present a local language based on your current region or IP address. Because of that, the language selector won't always be visible on every single page. If you don't see it where you are, try going back to a main page and check the footer again. Also, keep in mind that Glassdoor uses different country site versions, like .com, .co.uk, or .ca. And switching between them can affect how content is displayed as well as the language used. That's all there is to it. Open the site and sign in, scroll to the footer, pick your language or region, and refresh if needed. With the right setting in place, your job search and research on Glassdoor will be easier to understand and much more comfortable to navigate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your browsing.